Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make a cropped blazer and a skirt piece from an oversized men's blazer. So if you haven't subscribed, hopefully you do go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we're just gonna get right into the video. So I'm starting with buttoning the blazer so that they're in place and you are able to cut without it shifting around too much. And I'm drawing a line at the exact points where I want my top to be cropped at, just so it's easier for me to be able to see it and to crop it. So after drawing the line, you'd pin them, or actually pin them before, and then you start cutting them, both the front and the back. It was a bit hard to cut with the scissors, so I decided to use a rotary cutter instead, since it's easier just lining over it. And I'm working on wood, so I was trying to not like create lines on the floor. After you cut this is the top. This is what it's gonna look like, and you're going to fold the top part, like the end part of the top, the blazer, the current crop blazer, and you want to do like a double fold where the back is being folded towards the front and the front is being folded towards the back inwards. It's kind of like a blind seam. That way you're gonna have something like this, and you're just going to sew over it, and then you have this, and you're basically done with the blazer, unless you want to downsize it to fit you. I also maintained the brand tag as well, so this was what we had for the blazer, and we were done with it. I initially wanted to reduce the size, but I figured it was not necessary, so this is about it for the crop blazer. Next we're going to move on to the skirt. So for the skirt, the amount of fabric we had left was the bottom part of the blazer. I took about 1/4 of the piece out of the blazer, the remaining fabric, and then I joined the rest so it would fit my size a bit better. We didn't want it too big because then it could easily go up when it gets blown by the wind. So this is the little piece we have left, and I decided to use that as a waistband. So I cut 2 pieces of fabric out of the little one that we had left, and I made my waistband out of it. I joined them together so it could be long enough for my total waist length, and then I had to also reduce the remaining fabric. So this is what it's gonna look like. I pinned them towards each other. I had taken my measurement, and you would just transfer your measurement from it. You still want to leave a little bit of allowance, about 1 inch each, and you will place the skirt onto the waistband that you've created, and then pin them on the wrong sides. And then after that you're going to have something like this, and then you're going to fold it over so that it's hiding the fraying side of the material, even on the wrong side, because you don't want it to fray when you throw it into the washing machine or when you wash it. And then you're just going to sew over the entire thing, and that should be about it. So you can see I am folding it over the wrong side, just like this is what I did for the blazer top as well. That way it hides all the seams inside, and this is about it. You've got the seams done. Actually you've got it pinned down, and you've also been able to button it. So this is what the skirt is going to look like. I had a bit of gathers going on in the back because I happen to have a little bit of a back, and after that I layered it so you could see the way I would dress it up, or down in this case, because it was super cold outside the day I was actually wearing this. So yeah, here's a look at how it turned out, and hopefully this was explanatory enough for you to be able to follow. Otherwise, just let me know any questions in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer. If you watched this far, thank you for staying through. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias, like the video and subscribe, and share your thoughts as well. I'll be back with another video. Bye.